Hope everyone had a great Thursday here. Welcome back to the trading table. Today we're going to be looking at some of the biggest movers today, some earnings reports, and some big money plays. Jumping over to the heat map here, we can see that SPY is almost majority neutral, or not neutral, but red today. Most stocks are neutral, but there are more that are red here. So not the best day for SPY, but if we do jump over here, we can see that we're still pushing the all-time highs, right? We had a peak of 531 today. SPY is trending down right now, so be careful for that, especially for tomorrow, as what goes up must come down. Jumping over to NVIDIA now, we can see that NVIDIA hasn't really had a big move today, just like SPY. We did have a peak early in the morning at around 9:45, which then subsequently fell and just has been trickling down ever since. NVIDIA was really strong this morning, but it just continued to downtrend into the afternoon. Jumping over to CRKN here. This one came up on my radar today. It's kind of like a penny stock and very random, but I did want to cover it. They had a move of over, I think 700% today on the day. So 700% in 4 hours. So whoever was holding this long term, congratulations to you. That is great. If we take a look at their recent news here, we can't really see a reason, right? But yeah, they did have a great move up. Jumping over to the XLE play we called yesterday. We did take profit here. So if you were in our Discord, congratulations. We took profit right around this peak right here. It was a great play. If you are still in it, do not worry. The options have some time to them, and they're not even in the money yet. So I'm almost positive big money is still in, but right here was a nice place to take profits and just secure to start scaling out. Jumping over to our other big money play from yesterday, we have PBR. PBR we called out yesterday for a 15 put. It had 1.3 million premiums and a total volume of 5.3 thousand, expiring June 20th, 2025. All right, as you can see here, PBR fell. We called it here. And then it did have another move down today. So if you hopped in up here and, hopped out, right around here, it did have an all right move. Definitely not the best. These puts are still out of the money, so it could move a little bit more, but I wouldn't recommend getting into this right now as it looks like it's already had its move. Jumping over to Landon now for our big money plays.
Yeah, so for our first one, we have ticker symbol BHP. All right, now, folks, this one is massive. We have a total premium number of 4.1 million with an expiration date of 7/19/2024 at the strike price of 62.5. Let me repeat that again. That is massive. 4.1 million. We definitely want to watch out for this one. With a total volume of 24.92K. And then for our next one, we have ticker symbol SCHW. It's a call with the strike price of 80 at an expiration date of 1/17/2025 with total premiums of 992K. And a total volume of 1.4K. And then for our next one, we have ticker symbol HUM. It's a call at a strike price of 390 with total premium number of 740K at an expiration date of 11/15/2024. Now, the only thing that's worrisome about this one and the next one is the volume. This one has a total volume of 400, so we definitely want to keep an eye on this one. We don't want to jump into it right away. And then for our next one, it's the ticker symbol GEV. It's also a call at a strike price of 175 with an expiration date of 7/19/2024. And it has a total premium count of 579K. Now, again, the total volume for this one's a little worrisome. So we always want to, keep an eye and not jump in too fast because the volume for this one is 639.
Yeah, Landon, these are definitely going to be some plays to watch here. All of these are out of the money, so big money is most likely still in them. But just jumping back to this BHP call for a second here. As you could see, right, it did have a trend down today. And if we jump over to the parent stock here from the Australian exchange, we can see that there was some selling here today. We can assume that big money did half their position here, so just be careful jumping into this one. Jumping over to earnings now, we did have a few stocks report earnings today, such as Walmart, JD, and Baidu. Walmart had a nice move up. And if we jump over to the chart here, we can see that Walmart reported, right, and the pre-market, and had a nice move up, and it's just been kind of chopping around this 64.21 and the 63 area all day. They had their move in pre-market, so if you were gambling these earnings, congratulations, that's great. We don't suggest gambling earnings, but it's kind of just like playing blackjack here if you do play earnings. JD and Bidu, on the other hand, not the best, right? They had good earnings reports, but they just had a major sell-off here right at market open. They did recover. JD at least did recover back up to the 34.21 mark. Bidu here, we take a look, right? They reported earnings, and it rose up and then just downtrended, right? And it's been kind of recovering. So if you did play some calls here, or if you are holding the stock long term, you should be all right. But that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Trading Table. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your Thursday.